how to practice witchcraft in secret, clever hacks for beginners and closet witches. Hello and welcome to the channel. Here we delve into independent spirituality and folk magic, especially for free spirits. I'm Pagan Artisan today. I'm sharing tips and tricks for those starting out with their magical practice, or for those who might be in the broom closet. All advice comes from my personal experience, so take what resonates and adapt it to your reality. We'll cover 3 key areas: tips for closeted witches, advice for beginners, and a discussion on grimoires and altars. Make sure to stay tuned till the end to catch everything. Starting with the basics, if you're new or keeping your practice private, ask yourself why you want to become a witch. Motivation matters, as magic is about personal power and self-connection, not just aesthetics or trends. For those in the broom closet, begin with plants. They're discreet allies in magic and perfect for beginners. Meditation is another subtle practice that helps you connect with your energy and spiritual team without raising suspicion. Explore power spots like parks, rivers, or cemeteries. These natural spaces can enhance your magical work and provide private settings for rituals. Sigils and charging items like food or essential oils are great for subtle magic that blends into everyday life. For beginners, read extensively and focus on protection, and take your time to learn gradually. Don't be afraid to explore and make mistakes, it's all part of the process. When it comes to grimoires and altars, remember, it's not about the aesthetics. Start simple with a journal to document your practice. A digital grimoire can be useful for on-the-go notes. Drop a comment about your practice, whether you're open or in the closet, and how you handle it. Thanks for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect. See you next time.